Now clap your hands and stamp your feet. This happens to be a treat wild treat.
It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you, but it's just to feel within me. Oh, you touch my hand, and I feel it shakes my body. And I don't understand, so I'm leaving. This time I'm bleeding hard. I'm gonna walk away from love before love breaks my your clings to me tighter, tighter than you have before. But you know it's gonna take everything. 'Cause I'll be walking out that door. I see your arms that you got around me. Oh, let me go someday. So I'd rather leave them holding on it than pushing me away. So I'm leaving. This time I played it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love before love breaks my from love. I'm gonna walk away from love. I'm gonna walk away from